So here's a serious question. Um, Supposedly, there's this observatory out there in between us and the sun, right? They call it SOHO, right? And through that little operation that costs over $1 billion with a B, they are able to predict and tell us about solar flares and solar activity coming towards our direction, right? Well, they claim that these solar winds travel at like million miles an hour, right? Super fast, right? So explain to me how the Soho, which costs $1 billion, by the way, is able to predict and give us warnings days out ahead of time. Explain to me how, when the solar wind is traveling at 1,000,000 miles per hour and it reaches their little observatory, how is their observatory able to process the data, process the information, and then beam it back down here to us at Earth before those solar winds even make it to our Earth? And it's a valid question. It's a serious question. Explain to me how they can have this so-called observatory up there in between us and the Earth, and it's situated over 1,000,000 miles away from us, but they're able to process and transmit data and send it back here to Earth faster than the solar wind traveling at 1,000,000 miles an hour. There's a reason why they're able to predict these solar storms and this solar activity and this CME in quotation marks, folks. Think about it. Yeah, it's real easy to predict the future when you invent it.